a living healthy production. Are you trying to lose weight but not sure where to start? Did you know that meal prepping is one of the most effective ways to stick to a low-carb diet? In this video, we will show you how to meal prep for a delicious, healthy, low-carb meals. Whether you're just starting out or looking for new ideas, this video is perfect for beginners. Are you tired of counting calories and struggling to stay on track with your diet? Meal prepping can help you save time, money, and ensure that you stick to your healthy eating goals. Meal prep can seem intimidating at first, but it doesn't have to be. With a little planning and preparation, you can spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your meals. The first step in meal prep is to plan out your meals for the week. Choose recipes that are low in carbs and high in protein, such as grilled chicken or shrimps, roasted vegetables, and quinoa. Start by making a list of ingredients you'll need for the week. Once you have your ingredients, it's time to start prepping. Next, we have some low-carb meal recipes for you. Low-carb meal 1: grilled shrimp skewers. Our first recipe is grilled shrimp skewers. These skewers are packed with protein and flavor, and they're perfect for a summer barbecue or a quick weeknight dinner. First, you need to marinate the shrimps. Put about 1 pound shrimps in a bowl and add these ingredients: 1/4 cup olive oil, 3 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, and any herbs you like. I also like to add a splash of white wine with this mixture. Mix well and let it rest for 10 minutes. Now we need to thread the shrimp onto the skewers. I prefer to leave the tails on when grilling the shrimps, but it's up to your preference. The best way is to alternate the direction of the tails, making the shrimps just touch each other. Once the threading is done, then proceed to grill the shrimps on a grill pan or outdoor grill. The shrimps do not require a lot of time to cook. Cook both sides for about 3 minutes. When the color of the shrimps turn pink and opaque, you will know that a side is cooked. Low-carb meal 2: cheesy cauliflower gratin. Next up, we have a cheesy cauliflower gratin. This dish is creamy and indulgent, but it's also low in carbs and high in fiber. It's a great way to get your vegetables in, without sacrificing flavor. Start by cutting the cauliflowers into large florets. Add the salt to a large pot of boiling water and then add the cauliflowers and boil them until crisp and tender. When the cauliflowers are ready, drain them and set aside. In a saucepan, melt 3 tablespoons butter over medium heat. Then add 5 tablespoons of flour and whisk for a minute. Next, add about 2 cups of milk and continue whisking until the sauce has thickened. Remove the saucepan from the heat, then add 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Stir until very smooth. Add salt and pepper to season. Grab a baking pan and add a bit of the sauce into the bottom. Then add a layer of cauliflower and the yummy cheese sauce on top. Bake for 40 minutes at 375 degrees, or until the top is brown. Let the cauliflower sit for 5 to 7 minutes before serving. Low-carb meal 3: grilled chicken and roasted vegetables. The next meal we'll prepare is grilled chicken and roasted vegetables. Start by marinating your chicken in olive oil, garlic, and lemon juice. Then, chop up your vegetables. We recommend broccoli, cauliflower, and bell peppers. Toss them in olive oil and sprinkle with salt and pepper. Next, preheat your oven to 400 degrees and roast the vegetables for 20 to 25 minutes. While the vegetables are cooking, grill the chicken for 10 to 12 minutes on each side. Low-carb meal for quinoa and black bean salad. The final meal is the simple quinoa and black bean salad. Start by cooking your quinoa according to the package instructions. Then, chop up some fresh vegetables. We recommend cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and red onion. Drain and rinse a can of black beans and mix everything together in a large bowl. Next, make a simple dressing with olive oil, lime juice, and a pinch of salt. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and toss to combine. Divide the salad into individual meal prep containers and store in the refrigerator. And that's it for the recipes. By prepping your meals in advance, you'll be able to save time, money, and reduce stress during the week. Remember to choose recipes that are low in carbs and high in protein, and don't be afraid to experiment with new ingredients and flavors. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on healthy eating and meal prep. Bon appetit by Living Healthy Production. Thanks for watching.